4, 3, 2, 1. And try not to get like so caught up in the breath as long as you're just breathing. We're trying to stay with those counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back heel spins down. Inhale, lift up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Holds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull yourself down. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can come back to that child's pose or down dog. So a lot of times if we're really stressed and overwhelmed, just staying still can be really difficult. So kind of moving the body, I like to call it get the chaos out. So your next breath in, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg comes forward. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse your warrior.